In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trip.com app on Android. If you're looking for a simple way to book flights, hotels, trains, and other travel services in one place, the Trip.com app is a great choice. It has tens of millions of downloads, which is a good sign that it's trusted and widely used. The easiest and safest way to get it is through the Google Play Store, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll find its icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top. Type trip.com, just like that with the dot in the middle. In the search results, look for the listing that says trip.com. Book flights, hotels. Make sure you select the official app. You can double check by looking for a high download count and reading the app description to confirm it matches what you expect. When you've found the correct app, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your connection, this could take a few moments. Using Wi-Fi can make things quicker and help you avoid using mobile data. If you see any prompts asking for confirmation, go ahead and accept them so the installation can proceed. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app right away. If you prefer to open it later, you'll find the Trip.com icon added to your home screen or in the app drawer. From there, you can start exploring deals, checking schedules, and setting up your preferences. You might be asked to grant certain permissions, such as location, to improve recommendations. Allow only what you're comfortable with, and you can adjust these settings later. A quick word on safety. Always download Trip.com from the Google Play Store. This helps ensure you're getting the authentic app that's been scanned for security. Avoid random APK websites, as they can host outdated or tampered files. If you ever download outside the Play Store, make sure it's from the official Trip.com page only and proceed with caution. That's all you need to do. Open the Play Store, search for Trip.com, select the official Trip.com. Book flights, hotels listing, tap Install, wait for it to finish, and then tap Open. You're ready to book your next trip with confidence.